Okay, got this all cleaned up. Got to take the gears off, get all the lapping compound off inside the spline. Get this stuff all cleaned up. So the shaft, you can see where it's lapping a little bit. It's lapping on the end here and right on the edge right there. The center is not really getting lapped, as you can see. That's not where it's binding on the bushing. So here's the bushing. You can see where it's been lapping on the surface in there. So you've been lapping all the way around it to a certain extent. So there we go. Alright, let's see what it looks like. So let's leave this off for now. Gasket. Cold around here. Thumbs are definitely hurting. Trying to get blisters on my thumbs from the rough. See, I still got marks in it's been an hour since I've done it. I still got marks on my thumbs. Hard on your hands. Alright, let's see how loose this bushing is now. Definitely got looser. Binding. Not where it was when I started.
Huh.
Nope. Clean off the compound, didn't make it any freer. A lot of times I make it freer when you clean the lapping compound off. In this case, it didn't. So, nothing's working. So, I don't know what to do at this point. Nothing seems to be working. We're making the bushing looser and looser. We're not gaining anything.
Maybe the cam cover is bent.
No, not the cam cover. Just the location of the bushing relative to the crank.
But how could it have gotten like that?
See a little bit of color right here from the bush. Bushing's pretty loose.
Don't want to make it any looser, huh?
It's already looser than I want it to be already.
Mm-hmm.
You think it would have straightened it up if you take out that much metal, but it just took out the material all the way around the whole bush, it looks like.
Why don't you try it with a different cam cover and just see what happens?
Because this is the cam cover we're using.
Even if it don't work?
Even if it don't work, you gotta make it work.
Even if there's one sitting somewhere that would just work. And just bolt right on and not bind.
It doesn't matter. Gotta make it work. Yeah, I don't know.
That doesn't make any sense. I would, if there's an option that would work, I would just run that.
That's you.
But that's not what he wants, huh?
So restoration, use what you got. The problem is I don't know where I'm hitting at right now. I just know we got a lot of issues.
Maybe that's the whole reason why that motor wasn't put together before.
Different motor.
Oh, really?
The dowels off. So mainly this one.
Are you going to try and take the dowels down a little bit?
Take that dowel out so you're not watching what I'm doing. You're watching, but the camera ain't. The camera operator sucks. So that's the dowel pin puller. See if it'll pull it. Nope. Nope, not going to pull it. It's very common in these old motors. They're in there good. I think most of the bindings on that back one.
Could you reduce the diameter of it slightly?
Nope, trying to pull it, not reduce it. I've got to get it out so I can see if the binding goes away first before I start butchering shit. So remark it. Okay, put a few marks in here in the bushing. See if I can't determine exactly where things are hitting. while since I've had one of these stupid motors fight me so much. Oh well. Walking home. It's weird. The only marks I see it hitting on is about halfway, about a half inch down from the top. You can see where the red's gone. It's in the center of the bush. It's weird. And it rubbed off. Right there. Right there. On the bottom of the dowel still, just like I did before. Transfer ink to the shaft here. See, it's binding pretty heavy right here. That's where the binding is right here.
Maybe it's the shaft.
No, shaft's around. I don't have an adjustable reamer to cut the bushing bigger in the middle. It's about a half inch in is where all the binding's at. And the cover wants to go up, which is the next problem. All right. So we're going to take our file and our file on it. So this is no filing on this surface here, file on that surface. Hold it straight.
And so you're filing the dowel pin a little bit, huh?
Yep. That's what I did not want to do, but I No choices at this point. Back to options where most of the binding's at. Let's see what's been done to this damage on this bushing. It does get tighter. Get a little hand scraper out.
What's that tool look like? It's like a little knife.
Yeah. Sorta, not really.
I can find hand adjustments.
A hand scraper. Looks like that.
I always wondered what those are for. I've seen them at so many swap meets. Those for like sewing or leather or something.
That's a different tool. So you can see where I scraped it through there. And you see where the reamer was hitting, just a little line about a 1/4 inch in there. About an 1/8 inch wide is all it was hitting on that side. So let's see what we got. Damn glue.
Real loose, huh?
Way looser than I want it to be. Way looser. It's like what the other bushing was when I replaced it.
Oh.
Except it was working better.
You don't want to go back to that one
Can't.
because it's kaput.
It's already loose. You go back to it.
If it works better than this one.
I'll go back in the same spot.
Same.
Still tight. The stuff I'm doing is doing the damn thing except screwing it all up. Running out of options. I don't have a reamer to cut the hole any bigger. This hole's too damn big already. Still tight as hell. It's too tight to run. You can hear it squeaking a little bit as I'm turning it. Nothing I'm doing is fixing it. What I'm doing is screwing it all up. Basically, it's time for another bushing already because this one's trash. Put 16 fucking bushings in here, probably have the same problem. It's coming off easier and easier, which is a plus.
Because the bushing is more loose.
It's binding in the same spot, 1/4 inch inside the bushing. So that's where it's tight. And I can't take care of it because I don't have no way of cutting it bigger.
So if you had the tool, you could just simply stick it in there and adjust it and cut it, huh?
It just makes the bushing looser, doesn't fix the alignment problem.
So it'll still be misaligned going down the road, but it won't drag.
This bushing's basically trash at this point. It still doesn't work. Very loose. Bad oil pressure. Yet it's still done, still binds up. Big time. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm out of ideas. Let's sit, think about it.